Scientists in the U.S. include enlisted and hardly friend in their efforts to evolve a new flu treat. Llamas include been utilized to make a new immunoglobulin treatment how has the capacity to job versus all types of influenza, consisting new pandemics. Flu is the final form shifter, always mutable its exterior to avoid our immunity framework. How is why a new flu jab is necessary every winter and why the vaccination occasionally misses the mark. Scientific is on the search for a way to murder all types of influenza, no question the tension or how lot it mutates. How's wherever the llama, superior named for its fur, comes in. The animals make extremely diminutive antibodies in compare to their own. Antibodies are arms of the immunity framework and they link to the protein food how adhere out of the shallow of a viral infection. Humane antibodies tend to assault the tips of such protein food, but how's the portion flu mutates largest easily. Llama antibodies use their amount benefit to squirm a slight bit more profound and assault the components how flu cannot changing. The crew at the Scripps Institution in California contaminated llamas in repeated types of flu to incite an immunity answer. They later scoured Lama Bloodstream for the largest powerful antibodies how could assault a broad band of flu strains. They selected 4 persons, and later set on house their own artificial immunoglobulin how utilized beginnings of every. It was proven on mice, that were taking into account fatal doses of flu. This purpose there is to ensure thing how would job of time of year to time of year, and as well defend you of probable pandemics should they come. The researchers tested 2 approaches in offer the animals the immunoglobulin. The at first was to squirt them in the antibodies, and the other was a kind of gene expression treatment. The gene instructions for manufacturing the immunoglobulin were wrapped up within an innocuous viral infection, that was later utilized to contaminate the noses of mice. The cells in the linings of the nasal later begun manufacturing the influenza-killing immunoglobulin. An further benefit of the attitude is how it could job in the old. The older you are the worse yours immunity framework gets, and the less than efficient the season flu vaccination becomes. But the llama-inspired attitude does not requirement to boat train the immunity framework. Down there will be an appetite suppressant, but it depends how so these things job, how lightweight it is to make and as well how expensive it will constitute.